I just wanted to give you an update on the holes that Orkin drilled in my tin roof. They came back 10 days later. They filled that, which they didn't cause that. That was just a big hole they hadn't filled. And they did the ones over there, filled those. But they came back and filled those holes. So they really gooped it up. So just have to keep checking in my attic. There are actually crawl spaces on this side and over on the other side, just to make sure there's no water. Yeah, because as you can see, the holes look like they're probably right over the wall. See? The wall there. So if it does leak, it'll go into the wall. On this side, won't be able to tell for a long time because there's a cabinet. On the other side, there's no cabinet. We'll know. There's that bath valve up there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still there. So, but just wanted to give you an update. They didn't even ask if there was anything in the basement they should check. Apparently bats don't go in basements. I don't know. But just wanted to give you an update. That's all. Thanks. Bye.